Hello and welcome back everybody to a brand new fiery episode of BT+. I'm Bryan and today's topic is the most important and controversial thing happening in tech right now. Have you noticed the sheer volume of text, images, and music appearing every day that are completely AI generated? It's insane. Today we're diving deep into the world of generative AI. And I don't just mean ChatGPT and DALL-E. We're talking about tools that are fundamentally changing almost every industry. The big question everyone is asking is, will this technology be our friend, helping us create more, or will it be a fierce competitor, stealing our jobs and killing human creativity? Grab your coffee, because this episode is going to change how you think about the future. Let's start with the dark side, or what people fear most, AI and jobs. We can't ignore the reports about entire job functions potentially being replaced, especially in areas like technical writing, routine coding, and basic graphic design. How can a seasoned programmer compete with code written by an AI in seconds? The key idea here isn't that AI will replace every human. The idea is that AI will replace people who don't know how to use AI. This is a crucial distinction. For any job with repetitive tasks, AI is the strongest candidate right now. But it's not all doom and gloom. There is a bright, incredible side. AI is an unbelievable tool, acting as a force multiplier for the creator. Think about it. A graphic designer can now generate 100 ideas in the time it took to generate 10. A content writer has a personal assistant gathering information and drafting initial concepts. Generative AI doesn't aim to become the artist. It aims to make every person an artist, faster and better. This is opening doors for people who couldn't express their creativity before due to technical or financial barriers. Let's look at a quick, practical example. In the past, if you wanted to create a short video clip with special effects, you needed a team and a huge budget. Today, you can use tools like Sora or others, write a simple prompt, and have a professional cinematic scene in minutes. This dramatic leap in accessibility is what's changing the game. The new skill isn't execution, the new skill is knowing how to ask and direct the AI correctly. Of course, this revolution doesn't come without challenges. There are three major challenges we need to discuss. 1. Copyright. Who owns the outputs of AI? And did the AI train on copyrighted work? This is a massive, ongoing legal battle. 2. Bias. If the AI is trained on biased data, its outputs will also be biased. This is a serious ethical and social challenge. 3. Deepfakes. The ability to create terrifyingly realistic videos and images, which can be used for dangerous misinformation. We cannot embrace the technology without discussing our ethical responsibilities towards it. So, what do we do? How do we prepare for this future? I have 3 quick but crucial pieces of advice for you. First, pivot to jobs that are hard to automate. Anything requiring high empathy, complex critical thinking, or truly original creativity. Second, learn how to use AI as a core tool. Make it part of your daily workflow. Third, never stop learning. This technology changes almost every month. The continuous learner is the one who will stay ahead. And that brings us to the end of our explosive episode on generative AI. My question to you, BT plus fam, are you scared of AI or excited about the possibilities it offers? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the episode, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and goodbye.